Welcome to single-step conversions. So we've already talked about conversion factors and some conversion factor basics in the last video, and now we're going to apply them to some simple single-step problems. We're going to begin by writing a question mark and then the unit that we're looking for in that problem. This is the answer unit or the wanted in the problem. And next we're going to write an equal sign. Then we'll use our equal sign to mean leave the answer unit alone. Don't cancel the answer unit and don't multiply by it. And then after our equal sign, we're going to write our number and the unit that we're given. This is our known quantity. Next we'll write a set of parentheses with a fraction line inside it. And then we're going to write the unit from our given in the denominator of our conversion factor, leaving room for a number in front of it. And don't worry about putting a number in front just yet. We'll add that later. And this step places the given unit in a place where the unit math will cause the given unit to cancel. And now we're going to write the answer unit in the numerator on top of our conversion factor, again leaving room for a number in front of it. And then we're going to add numbers that make our numerator and denominator equal to each other. Then we'll do the unit math and cancel units that cancel. And the given unit should cancel, and our answer unit should not cancel. That should stay behind, and it should be the only unit that stays behind. If the unit on the right side after cancellation is our answer unit, then we stop adding conversion factors, and we write an equal sign, then we do the number and exponential math, and we write our result. So then we write the result of our unit math then, and this then should be the answer unit. If it is, then we're done. If it's not, then either you've made a mistake or you need to continue adding conversion factors in order to get the answer unit. And then the last step is to write your answer to the correct number of significant figures, again rounding if necessary. So let's look at an example. How many years are in 925 days? Again, we're going to begin by writing a question mark and then the unit that we're looking for in the problem. So question mark and then the unit that we're looking for in this case is years. This is our answer unit. Now we're going to write an equal sign. So we have question mark, years, equals. So years is our wanted unit or our answer unit. Then after our equal sign, we're going to write the number and unit that we're given. This is our known quantity that we know, 925 days, and we're looking to find how many years is that equal to. Next, we'll write a set of parentheses with a fraction line inside of it, and then we're going to put our conversion factor in. So now we're going to write the unit from the given, the days, in the denominator of our conversion factor. So we're putting the days down there. And again, we're going to leave a space to write a number in front of it. Now we're going to write our answer unit, the years that we have over on the left side of the equal sign there. We're going to write that on top in the numerator, again leaving room for a number to write in there. And now we want to add numbers that make our numerator and denominator equal. So we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days, so we'll write in 1 and 365. And note here that 365 days has one significant figure. Has three sig figs. The one is an exact number. If we want to be more precise, we should use 1 year is equal to 365.24 days in order to account for leap days. Next we do our unit math and cancel our units that cancel. So we have days times years divided by days. Well, days and days cancel with each other. And what we're left with then is years. So again, our given unit is canceling here. Our answer unit should stay behind. It is. So our units appear to be set up correctly. If the unit on the right side after cancellation is our answer unit, it is, then we stop adding conversion factors. So we stop adding conversion factors. Then we write an equal sign. So we write an equal sign. We do our number and exponential math. So we have 925 times 1, still 925. Now we divide by 365, and that gives us 2.5342. Then we want to write the result of our unit math. So our result was years, so we write in years there. Again, that should be our answer unit. If it is, then you're done. We are done. And we want to write our answer to the correct number of significant figures. Again, rounding if necessary. So we had 2.5342 years. We have 3 sig figs in 925. We have a 1 here, that's an exact number. We have 365 days, that also has 3 sig figs, so our answer needs to have 3 sig figs. So 2.53 years is equal to 925 days. And again, note that because our given of 925 days has 3 sig figs, then using the more precise 365.24 days per year doesn't change our answer any. If I actually work it out, it ends up being 2.5326 years, which is still rounded to exactly the same number. Note that that won't always be the case. There may be some slight differences if you use a slightly more precise conversion factor. You should always have at least as many sig figs in your conversion factor as you have in any of your given numbers. And you should try to have at least 1 or 2 more sig figs in your conversion factor. So it's not your conversion factors that are limiting your calculation. So now you should practice using the above steps for the questions in the textbook. And that was single step conversions.